to our channel. Today, we're heading to the Cairns Botanic Gardens, where the rainforest meets the city. Come along as we explore this peaceful tropical paradise. I just arrived at the Botanical Garden. Here's the entrance. Oh no, katulog kaming bembem.
Katulog among pokok.
Oo. Sige lang.
Init siya uy, mas okay pa tong gatubang sa dito.
Mainitan man siya, matubang siya yung init. Sige na.
Oh, awa gali ah.
Flicker Garden. Ah, di padulong. Asa man ni padulong gadi? Katong naay ko anda dart batis aman to.
Go mama.
Ha?
Ako kaya ni nga kwan mo pwede nang ngay mga balay ni.
Ang tangan ng kuan ba? Umbrella. Lah. Look at that ate. Thorns. Ha? Look at this oh. That?
Shampoo flower thing.
What do you mean?
Shampoo flower. When you just squeeze it, it's like shampoo.
Huh? Are you sure?
I don't know, it just looks like it.
Ano ba si ate? Kabalo siya.
Pero amat ta.
Yeah. Welcome to the Botanical Gardens in Cairns. Noon saan ni Daddy Baliti? Saan na nga plant? Lah. What is that? I'm drinking some chocolate shake. Huh? What is that? Sound. What is that? Nanay tall kay nga tree oh. Makadungog kag mga sound but you don't know what is it.
Sana nga bird.
Ma, dito butterfly.
Aman.
Sa kwan.
Ma,
I-zoom mami ko so taas bitong zoom man ang imong kwan.
Be?
ma, dito butterfly.
What bird are you?
Ma, look.
Wala kay panapon diya mami nga yana.
Wala.
Ma, look, it's a butterfly.
Where?
In there. That leaf.
Oh yeah. Look at.
If it flies gani, kaya it has beautiful blue wings.
Uy. Huh? Where's the cannonball? Ay, nalaya man.
Padlok ba't mga tintura maghalas?
Gani.
Sound of random.
Possible gid siguro na yung mga halas dari.
This just sound of random insects or birds.
Lagi na ikuan dere. It's skins. Oh, karang mo nang daging.
Dili man ni mao baho, kambang dako. Look, a nice flower. Nalaya ang uban. So sad. Ito pa oh. Mais oh. Yaw, ano yung flower? Uy, murag mais. No, murag mais. That's a flower in here. Murag mais. What flower is this? Nice. Lalagay ko andari oh, saging-saging. Oh, unsa ni? Ilang-ilang. Oh, unsa ni? Basta. We have like this in the Philippines. It's like nah. Nay durian. Durian. Daddy, nay durian dari daddy oh. Hi bird. Hi bird. Daddy, nay durian oh. Ay, nay pinya oh. Hi ate.
Hi.
Daddy, durian nga mga flower ba? Oh, what flower is this?
You know.
Ngani na gripo dia si mamang dia na magsagko ba. Spit na lang.
Malay apple.
Apple.
Malay apple.
Wala naman.
Aman.
Nawala naman. The pink color from
I think that tree.
Patay apple. Wala naman.
Uy, nay ko ano?
Bird. Apple. Well,
Kutong-kutong nalabyan ganiha da di ba?
Come on, ka.
Unsa man nga bird?
Yeah, I don't think that's a turkey. Turkeys will gobble if you whistle.
Bird with a red head,
oh.
yellow.
Wood pecker. Wala uyab siguro na sila. Picture mi na ready. Kami ni tulo.
Awa sa batang gabi dito ba?
Behind you, Ma. Behind you, Ma. Ma, behind you, behind you. Or either that's a moth. It's a moth!
Uy, daman kay mosquito day dadi. Daman kay lamok dadi. Uy, gapamaak. Ali dadi. Ay dadi kasi ay bantay ha nga walay mos. Ano ba ko ani nga tray oy.
There's a moth in here.
Gonna love optimism.
Ay nadia oh, native bee. Uy, nay bee dadi.
Let's go, let's be. That's a bee, that's a bee, that's a bee, that's a bee. That's a bee. Oh my God.
Dire di ba dire ta sulod? This is where we get inside, right? Dire ta gyagi mami.
Keep going now. Uy.
CR na di, CR. Kita ka lang signage CR na.
So hot. Di una mami. Pero
Diyan sana di.
I feel like I see a moth in here, Ma. I feel like I saw a moth in here.
What is this?
No, that's not a red spider lily. That's not a red spider lily. That's like the shape of a ball. Flower. Ay? Naman ka diri?
Ako lang. mga taga-pagkahoy yan.
More bounty diri ma.
Hmm?
More bounty diri.
Tara, itong sakyanan, oh. Exit naman ni Dari day. Agoy, tusok ra ba? Agoy, kahadlok ba di mga taga-kanda? Dali, matungsok ka. Dali, hadlok kay matagakagkahoy Dari kay... Kasi ay ridadat ba? Hadlok ka Dari, di tamo pa. Ayaw, patungod sa mga tree ate.
Nakagi-agi ganun na.
I am not.
Turang sakyanan na to, oh.
Amin.
Nai-exit sa tong sakyanan.
It's already.
Masa na dira? Na makasulod ya?
Oh, makasulod dia.
Ay, ate, let's get inside the... What is that?
Monroe
Watkins Monroe Martin Conservatory. What is inside? Guess what's inside? Uy, may mosquito? Open na din. Okay, push. Yes. Ako.
Makasulod na rin.
Our baby is sleeping.
Koy video mami Will, para mabidyoan ka.
It's like foot fan. It's gonna be like that.
Open natin, open. Open. Open mo, open na.
Dali na.
Nagsulod kami, nagsulod. Mga ferns sa day.
Palm. Fern. Oh, it's a fern. Fern. Look at this. May fun. Ito mga bird.
My baby sleeping. Our sleeping beauties. Ano? Look at that one. Guys. Sa maning bintana ang agihimo namang lamisa.
What is that?
What's this? What's this?
It looks like a corpse flower. It looks like a corpse flower to me.
Hello, look at this.
Look.
Like one ba? Murag
Hey.
liso sa mais.
What's this, guys? It's
Murag liso sa mais ba?
That one looks like a corpse flower. Oh, there's a name. There's a name.
like a-
Austrobaileaceae.
Look at the-
Austrobaileaceae. Endemic to
Vine is going, going.
ay mo gawid okay. We don't know like it's allergic or banana. Chicken banana.
Ano? What plant is that?
I don't know. It looks like a corpse
Hello.
flower.
Look at this. A crown. Cicadaceae. 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 Pila nga lang dali.
Cicadaceae. Cicas daboensis, daboensis.
Now that's just
China Southeast murag ipang angkat ni Mami Kay.
Ito man hindi kong pupus. Ano?
Let's go fishing.
Buhaya diya.
fishing.
Kamahulog din eh, patay. GG gini. Wala na gid ay fish oh. Look, there's a fish oh, look.
Smoglay, gagmay kayo fish.
Naman day fish. Busa man day nagan lamok kay naman day ni.
Fish.
Lamiya kay languyan. Uy. Bugna.
Hala na ba? Siya dadi.
Siya nabali.
No.
Ang life cycle of a Titan iron.
Bugat na siguro.
Oh my god, it looks like
And plants oh.
Ma. Mama.
Ang plant na mukhaon mo ko ano?
Ay tuod ba?
Picture plant.
What is that? Oh, yeah.
Insect.
Picture plant. Picture plant.
That's like that traps insects in it, and then
Okay.
like
Makakuha na
it
siya
has
ng ma-digest na rin. Tsada oh.
it's like
Look at this one guys, it's alive.
just like traps bees in it. So
Parang
the bee
nagpayak
enters in
ni.
and then it closes.
Siguro mag-itlog ni daddy. It's like Tito Swabber's egg.
This traps bees in it, so bees climb inside the plant, the leaf beneath
Yo,
closes.
don't touch it.
Look at so pink.
The liquid inside the
Lamig and purple nga color.
Kaya akong pamicturan. Aracia. Plant is this. It's like a stick. Our sleeping beauty.
Pakat-kat ka ni ba tapos ipadidolo sa rin ka mami oh.
Naku.
Ate, if you're gonna climb this tree, this there's some spike. Oh.
Look, so what is that? Durian tree? Uy, yun yung mga hulugan to dari.
Nakuha na ito payong.
Pagpuyo, daddy.
And that wraps up our day at the Cairns Botanic Gardens. We had such a good time exploring. Thanks for watching. See you in the next vlog. Bye.